Konnichiwa, I'm John Hornick. Welcome to my Japanese Faves series where we'll cover every major type of Japanese food. I was looking for a dish to use these sauces, so I built the dish around the sauces rather than building the dish around the fish. The combo of the fish's crispy surface, creamy sous vide interior, and the slightly spicy, colorful sauce makes a nice, tasty presentation. I used Chilean Sea Bass, but halibut would also work well. So let's start cooking. First thing we're going to do is heat our sous vide device. Now, there's a lot of different sous vide devices on the market. This is Anova, which I like. And we're heating it to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. And then I like to cover it to keep the heat in. Right now we're going to vacuum seal the Chilean sea bass. Now, the description calls for a pound cut into 6 equal weight pieces. I'm only doing 2 for the camera. And this is skin on. Actually, looks like a little bit of the skin was trimmed off at the store, but I'm leaving the skin on. Okay, and then I'm putting it into vacuum seal bag. This is using my Joe Carey bag filler, which is a great little device. Adding some thyme that's been tied with some kitchen twine, and then we're going to just seal that, vacuum seal that in our vacuum sealer. Okay, here we have our Chilean sea bass and thyme vacuum sealed, ready to go into the sous vide device. Okay, now we are going to cook the fish sous vide for 40 minutes at 140 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm just going to cover this to try to keep the heat in there, okay? Now we're going to mix our sauces, and we're doing it in a proportion of 2 parts to 1 part, okay? I've given you measurements in the notes, okay? So we have twice as much of the Nobu-ish white miso Aji Amarillo sauce, and half as much of the Nobu-ish red miso Aji Amarillo sauce. And we're just going to combine those and mix them up. Okay, let's taste it. Good. As I think I might have said in the introduction, I like these 2 sauces mixed together more than I like either one of them separately. Okay, so we're putting our duck fat into the pan in which we're going to sear the fish, and we're going to heat that up. We're going to get it so it's just barely starting to have tiny whiffs of smoke. Okay, now we are going to place the fish in the pan gently so it doesn't fall apart. Okay, and give it just a little bit of salt and pepper. Now we're going to let that cook until it releases from the pan, which is going to take a little while, and it should be golden when that happens. And now while the fish is cooking, we want to streak some sauce across the plate. All right, it's been about 5 minutes. This one is releasing. Oh, and look at that, beautiful golden. Okay, we're taking that off, okay? And let's check the other one. That one's not quite ready to release. All right, let's check this one again. Oh, beautiful. Okay, we're gonna take this one off. All right, and we're gonna plate up. Okay, we're gonna plate up the fish perpendicularly to the sauce. We're going to garnish with some of the chopped prosciutto. And there we have it. Sous vide and pan-seared Chilean sea bass with Nobu-ish white and red miso Aji Amarillo sauces and prosciutto. You can see photos of the final dish at my Instagram, which is at Chef's Apprentice, Cook Like a Pro. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.